How many of us are guilty of throwing food away? That lonely banana in the countertop? Yeah, thank you. That leftover that never made it to lunch? Please raise your hand. Thank you. And that takeout that you never finish? Yeah, well, I'm guilty of that. And to be honest, I ask myself, how can I be wasting food here while there is a lot of people that don't even have access to food? So, my name is Helena Manuel, and today I'm going to present you an idea that can help us to do better. So, which is EcoSol. EcoSol is a solar powered smart bin that converts food waste into renewable resources like electricity, can also create fertilizer and much more. Why is EcoSol different? Because we do the pre-processing of food. The way it works is very simple. So you throw your food into the smart bin, and then that pre-processes and goes to a biodegradable bag. And that bag has a QR code that then is sent over to the biogas plant. Well, you might be asking, why can't you just do everything on site? I really don't want to deal with chemicals and hazards. That's why the biogas plant are used for. So we're gonna send that there, and also they will actually have way more advantage because they will have the option to choose what to do with our waste according to the environmental impacts and the needs of the community. Let's say if they assume that we have more issues right now with agriculture, so instead of turning our waste into fuel, they will turn into fertilizers, which will help us the most. So this is our product, EcoSol, that turns waste into renewable resources. So today, judges, I'm playing solo, so I need help with a team and to produce this project. Right now, I am in the concept stage, and I really need help to proceed with this project. That's it.
All right. Registry was well under her 3 minutes, so up to 5 minutes, but questions if need be. And think we'll start with Sarah.
So your looks like your initial build is about 21K. And if I'm a restaurant, what's going to entice me to want to spend that 21K? Where's my break even?
As a restaurant, you will not actually spend that 21K into the bin because you have the option to buy the bin or to rent the bin. The cost that we have there is for 10 units, but to be honest with you, the cost to produce 10 units can be a little bit more. But the restaurants, you do save money by cutting how many times the waste management will go to pick up your trash, and you also make money with our QR code bag. When you send that to biogas plant, they issue you a reward for your restaurant. Yeah.
Okay.
Can you just describe how you envision the pre-processing to take place? I mean, are there just sensors going to be embedded into the box that'll differentiate, you know, organic material versus inorganic material? Just help me understand how the processing is going to take place with your box, because you see at at any facility 2 3 bins, uh, one labeled as recyclable, one not recyclable, one organic waste. Are you just one place and then you enter it in and your box does the sorting? Is that what I'm hearing?
We will not do the sorting, so our bin will be the next bin. Since we already have three in the market, right? So we're gonna be the next bin, which we will only focus in food waste. So they will be aware that that bin is particular only for food waste. Yeah. and the bag will have a QR code where the users will be able to see how much they are contributing to the environment and also receive incentives out of that. And that QR code will also help with ESG metrics and sustainability.